I'm going to write my story on this machine. This fine machine that I love and respect, unlike a vast many of people. Some say it is dated, that it is old hat, a thing of the past, but aren't we all? We are all things of the past. We stick to routines, take comfort in what we already know. We cling on to tradition. We come from some point in the past, and that part makes up who we are. This fine machine is an Underwood 450, made by the hardworking people of Spain in the 1930s, perhaps the 40s. This company's been around since 1874, prototyping, experimenting. As for this particular typewriter, it's not that exciting of a history. In fact, it's rather quite dull. As far as I can tell, we're not the most literary of folks. This is my grandmother's old typewriter. I found it in her basement and asked her about it. She passed it on to me. It was only getting dust down the storage roof. It was a find to beat all finds. It was beautiful. What is it about the old that intrigues me so? What is it about the flea markets and garage sales and the rest of it? It's junk. I love junk. Why? Well, it wasn't always junk. Once it had outside meaning, other than in the antique stores. We'll be antiques one day, traded in for a newer model. This machine is a monolith in the world, and sometimes I'm the only person to appreciate it, the fact that it has no significance historically whatsoever. It belonged to my grandma, who never used it, and now it's in my room, marking the passing of time next to a pile of dusty books. Typing, seeing the mechanism produce words on the page makes them seem real. As I type them, I know where the words are coming from me and onto the page. Inference is not an issue, like so much technology creates. This machine is simple. My words are permanent, they exist. They cannot be erased. They are so easily permanent, here forever until the world behind the paper has borne witness to countless words, imprinted over and over and over again, limitless possibilities. Miles of half-finished pages, pages of truths I can't delete, an honest history of writer's block, every letter documented with words. They come to me freely of their own volition. It is only my humble mission to record them with precision. What next? What to type? What to say? What's the point? What's the purpose? The call to arms, the big idea, the bigger picture.